Good morning, children. Good morning. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, children. So, this is the last chapter for our XA1 exam. Okay, I have already told you. Today we will complete our portion for SA1, only 6 chapters. And the last chapter we were discussing, do you remember the chapter name?
Role of government.
Yeah, role of the government in
health.
Okay, we know that in a democratic country, people would expect that the government will work for the welfare of the people. Okay, so the government has to take an important steps for the education, health,
Ma'am, we can,
yeah,
ma'am.
for
Ma'am, we can
employment.
explain
Yeah.
this.
Okay, so the government needed to plan, plan something for the welfare of the people. Okay, so it should provide the basic facilities. Okay, for basic facilities, that means housing, clothing, shelter, okay, medicines. Okay, so health is an important aspect of a person. Okay, so we should be mentally and physically fit. Okay, we should not be full. What do you mean by health? Do you remember?
Yes, the ability.
Ability to free from illness and injuries. Okay, ability to free from illness and injuries. Apart from diseases, there are some other matters. Okay, that is, we should not be mentally, should not be very inactive, stressed. Okay, we should be mentally also, we should be fit. Okay, so it is the government responsibility to provide sufficient facilities to improve the health matters or health condition of that particular area. Okay, and we know that there is a chain of hospitals and health centers that is run by the government. Okay, that is public healthcare system. Anthony, what do you mean by public healthcare system? Can you tell me, Anthony?
Yes, ma'am.
Public healthcare.
Can you repeat the question one more?
My question one more time.
Public healthcare system.
It's muted.
Hospitals. Hospitals.
Hospitals.
Medical centers.
Health centers. Who is running?
Government.
Doctors, nurse.
Government.
And can we say?
Yes.
The hospital medical center run by the government.
Yes.
The chain of hospitals and
Yeah, it's a chain of
Which are run by the government.
health centers run by the
government.
Okay. So it's a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. Okay. So rural areas, okay, health centers are there. Okay, a nurse and a health worker under the supervision of a doctor. Okay, and one health center covers many villages in a rural area. Okay, and district hospitals are there, and specialized hospitals we can see in cities.
Big cities.
Okay, so it is it is a chain of this district hospital. It also supervises the health centers. Okay, so it is a chain, okay, connecting both rural and urban areas. Okay, urban and rural areas. It is connecting through many hospitals. Okay, so it is means that public. Okay, we are using the term public because it's meant for the whole people of that country or of that area. Okay, so that it is referred as public. Okay, so even the poor people, okay, can means be for can be go for the treatment.
Treatment.
Okay, as so the government is collecting the taxes from the people. By using that money, the government is providing the basic necessary facilities for the people. Okay, so the government is providing free medical aid, free medical services, free medical checkup. Okay, and either it is free or at a low cost. Either it is free or at a low cost.
I saying let in her.
Yes.
Rudra is saying her to let in her.
Audible class.
Okay.
Yes.
So, children, so we were discussing about public also. Okay. And we also know that what you mean by private hospital. What is private hospitals?
Not owned by
Government
Not owned by the government.
Expensive.
by individuals or
It
companies.
is managed.
It's
It
by
is run by
Managed by
wealthy
individuals or
people.
companies.
Okay. Or
It's
managed
by an individual or a
company. Mainly, it's the motive of a private hospital. It is mainly it is running for the run for the profit. Okay, so for each and every services, we need to pay a lot of money. We need to pay for each and every service.
Services.
Okay, that is the basic means, and it has best facilities. Okay, but for each facilities, they are extracting huge amount from us. Okay, they are extracting huge amount from us. Okay, and which all sections are deprived of all these facilities, children? We know that poor people. Okay, mostly the poor people, okay, they don't have even enough food, okay, for their survival, and lack of awareness. Okay, they don't know the matters related, how to be safe, okay, how to be clean. And also they are not getting even proper clean drinking water. Do you remember, children, when we talk about the advantages of Indian medical system? Okay, we have just discussed about its advantages, that it has the best medical colleges, many doctors are qualifying every year, we are getting many medical tourists. Okay, and we are exporting and producing many medicines. Okay, so we have some facilities, but what is the problem?
Lacking of.
Some of the people are
Many
lacking.
people are being dead due to many diseases, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And also, most of the children from the poor family, they are undernourished. Yes, they are undernourished. They are not getting even adequate means medicines, education, then clean drinking water. Okay, and waterborne diseases. They are infected by the waterborne diseases.
Nutritious foods they want.
Then we talked about women. Okay, women, they are not serious about their health.
Health.
And in a family, in our family, women's health is always neglected. They are not getting, even by themselves, means even they themselves are not taking care about their own health. That is one side. Okay, the other side, even the family matters, if she is sick and if she is not well, then also they are not giving proper medical care to her. Okay, so the poor people, the woman, okay, are always being deprived of some health related issues. Okay, then about private hospitals, they seems to be unethical. What do you mean by unethical? They are paying extra amount. Next, we need to pay extra. They are extracting huge amount from us. Is it? And even though inexpensive alternatives are available, okay, but still, what they were not doing? They were suggesting medicines that we need to pay more.
More money.
The doctors will not do that. In private hospital, the doctors, okay, they will not prescribe inexpensive medicine. They always suggest for expensive medicine. Okay, and if any member of our family, if he is admitted in the hospital, most of the people, they need to borrow money for their consultation, for their
Somebody's
treatment.
waiting.
Yes, for their treatment, they need to borrow money. Okay, because private hospital, they are extracting a huge amount for each and every services.
Somebody is waiting.
Somebody?
Is waiting in waiting room.
Wait. Okay. Okay, children. So, and what we can done, that also we have discussed about Kerala government plan. Do you remember that, children? What was Kerala government's plan?
Their budget.
40% of the
Yeah, 40% of the state budget was given to the panchayat. Okay, so Kerala government in the year 1996, it took an important decision, okay, that 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayat. Okay, so that they could plan, okay, for the development of the country. That means the matters related to education. That means to provide safe drinking water, okay, then sanitation, means through developmental programs through the Anganwadis and all, health centers and all, okay, that plan, that money they will use for to improve the health related matters. Okay, that is an important step, so that Kerala government has able to improve the health condition of that country, of that state, okay, of that area. Okay, even though some problems are there, still they're existing, that is lack of qualified doctors, spare beds and all, some problems were there, still it can improve. Okay, it helps to improve a lot. Okay, it helps to improve the health facilities of that state. Okay, and children, we are moving to the last section. Okay, that is about Costa Rica. Costa Rica, it is a country, means it is one of the healthiest country in Central America. Let me share the screen, children.
Ma'am, South America, right?
Central America. Wait. So Costa Rica, it is one of the healthiest country in Central America, and they have taken an important decision like Kerala government. What you know, children? They reduce the expenses. They reduce the expenses for maintaining an army. Children, for maintaining an army, we need some more money, right? Yeah. Yes. Just see, children. Except for given to the panchayat. Okay, that means that the 40% of the total budget, it is given to the panchayat for maintaining the health related issues, right? Okay, so that the government could provide plans for improving the sanitation, for providing clean drinking water. Okay, then means it could improve the health situation of that area, of that country, of that state, right? Okay, so Costa Rica, it is one of the healthiest country in Central America. Okay, and they have taken an important decision. Okay, do you know what?
They do not have an.
They have decided not to have an army. Okay, so I have just told you, okay, we need some extra amount, means we need some money, okay, to maintain an army. Okay, for maintain means a group of soldiers, armed weapons, okay, then vehicles. Okay, so we need some money, we will fix some amount for the defense. Okay, but here Costa Rica, they have taken an important decision. They have decided that not to have an army. Instead, what they will do, you know, what they will do, no? They will take that amount, okay, and they will spend, they will look after the health related issues of that area. Means that they will provide basic facilities like provide clean drinking water to the children or to the people. Okay, and providing health education. So health education, it is very important. Is it, children?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, because we know that poor people, when we discussed about the poor people, lack of awareness. Okay, the poor people, most of the poor people, they were illiterate. Okay, so the lack of awareness was there. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so the health important, health education, it is very important. So Costa Rica, it is providing the facilities for the health education, for clean drinking water. We have discussed about India. Okay, India has the best medical facilities, but we have discussed that
There are
many children are suffering, waterborne diseases, right?
Malaria.
Yes.
Yeah. Many children, because they are not getting clean drinking water, so many children, they were being affected by the waterborne diseases, malaria, okay, and all, and many
Which one
children
your
is
video?
being dead.
Which on your videos?
Sir?
Dean sir, switch on videos.
Videos.
Good morning,
They are
sir.
not switched on.
Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Now and Benedict.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Taking after autumn vacation.
Sir.
Okay.
No, it is.
So the government provide plans. Proper planning was done for food, women's development, and education.
Water.
Okay, so it could improve the health condition. Okay, then lastly about Costa Rica. Okay, it is not North America. It is one of the healthiest country in
South
Central America. Okay, and reduced expenses for army. Okay, the government will fix some amount for maintaining an army. They have taken an important decision that not to have an army. Instead, that money, okay, spend that money on health and education. Okay, health and education and other basic needs of the people. So that the Costa Rican government provide basic services. Okay, it provides safe drinking, clean water, sanitation, nutrition, and other development of the country. Okay, so that it could improve the health condition of that area. Is it clear, children? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, among this chapter, okay, we just started, okay, with what is health, right?
Yes.
What is health? What is health?
Health is the ability to remain free from illness and injuries.
Our ability to free from illness and injuries. Okay, so we need to be healthy both mentally and physically. Okay, we need to be healthy both mentally,
Mentally and physically.
that means we
physically.
be inactive, stressed. Okay, we need a healthy mind also. Okay, to be, I mean, apart from diseases, we need all these facilities, and also we need a clean
Drinking water.
Yeah,
Surrounding
we need a safe
surroundings.
atmosphere. Okay, environment. Okay, pollution free environment we need. Okay, so it is means in a democratic government the people will expect that the government will yes,
Work
okay,
for
the
their
government will
welfare.
work for the welfare of
Welfare.
the
citizen.
Citizens.
okay. So we have, our government has a chain of hospitals
Hospital,
and
healthcare
centers.
centers
Okay,
run by the
okay,
government.
and yes, okay, and we just discussed, we just discussed that the government is collecting the taxes. Okay, with that collected amount, means with the taxes, the government is providing the basic facilities for the people to improve the health related matters of the people, and it is providing all medical services, means most of the medical services are either free or at a
low cost.
low
Low
cost. Okay, then what do you mean by private hospitals?
Hospitals run by the government.
It's not owned by the, it's not owned by the,
Government.
okay, it is run by wealthy people. Okay,
Of
yeah,
society.
it is managed, and the main intention is profit. Okay, so we need to pay, means that they are extracting huge amount from each and every services. Okay, and the government hospital, it is a chain of hospital that is conducting both rural and the urban areas. District hospitals are the specialized hospitals are there in cities, and the government is providing all medical services as free. Okay, and which section of people are always being deprived?
Poor people.
Poor people. Okay, poor people and women. Okay, poor people, most of them are illiterate. Okay, they are not, means they are not getting proper education. Okay, and even if they were admitted, even if they were admitted in a private hospital, yeah, with their limited income, it is not possible for them to afford the high fees charged by the private hospital. Okay, so the government hospitals are providing the medical the treatment either free or at a low cost. Okay, and woman. Okay, woman always ignoring, means the woman's health is always ignoring in a family. Okay, most of the family members are not taking care about a woman, and she herself also. Okay, sometimes, okay, she was not taking care about her own health. Okay, so the women's and the poor people are always being deprived of some facilities. Okay, so in order to help this section, this disadvantaged people, the government is trying to bring certain facilities, okay, to improve the health condition. Okay, and the private hospitals, we know that sometimes it is unethical. Okay, because even though inexpensive alternatives are available, still the private hospital, the doctors are prescribing expensive medicines. Okay, and if someone of your family, if someone is admitted in the hospital, okay, we need to borrow money. Okay, we need to borrow money, or either we need to do something to pay the huge bill charged by the private hospital. Okay, that is the other thing. And what we can done, that we have discussed about the Kerala government, it has taken an important decision. Okay, that is 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayat. Okay, so the development can be happen through from the rural area, that means from the villages. Okay, so they could plan something to improve the
Life of
health,
citizens.
the women's development, food. Okay, by providing nutritious food through the Anganwadis and all health centers and all. Okay, through the vaccines and all providing as free through the health centers. Okay, and also women's development, education. Okay, all this the government is fixing some amount for improving the health related matters of that area. Okay, then lastly, we just discussed about Costa Rica. Okay, they have taken an important decision. What was their decision?
They took an important decision
To have an army. Okay, instead that money they would use
for health
and
Education.
okay, they will use that money for improving the health condition
Facilities.
of that country. Okay, so that it is the healthiest country in the continent. Okay, Central America, and they are providing, okay, with that money, they are providing basic services, basic facilities. Okay, clean drinking water, nutritious food, health education, okay, health awareness, all this they are providing. So it could improve. With that money, they could improve the health matters of that area. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, our SA1 portion, means the portions for our SA1 is completed. Okay, so total 6 chapters are there. Okay, so I think this chapter is quite easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, and some more questions, only 2 or I have sent, how many questions? 3 questions already I have sent through the WhatsApp, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all copied it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then 3 more questions are there about Kerala government plan and also about Costa Rica. Okay, that today I will send the completed notes. Okay, all of you complete it and read it. Next day, prepare for the class test. Okay, children, is the time to wind up the class. Okay, children, thank you. See you on the next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.